Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool unit here, and basically what these are replacement brush heads. And you can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for this one in particular is the W Diamond Clean Sonicare option. If you can see how they do provide you guys aided them, and they do provide some specs and features about the product. So they mention how it is full size, it's medium, and it does have the brush sync option. And if you guys turn to the back, they provide you guys more specs about the product as well. So they mentioned how it fits any kind of Phillps Sonicare toothbrush with a click-on handle, which is basically what I have right here. So this is a Diamond Clean toothbrush, and I purchased it at my local store because they do have a really good deal. Like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here is 8-pack. They do have this available in a 2-pack or 4-pack available as well, if you guys do look on Amazon. But regardless, if you guys get the 8-pack, the 4-pack, or 2-pack, all of them work the same. If you guys get this one in particular, which should be the W Diamond Clean, and it should look like this. If you guys get any of the other ones that say W2 or C2 or C3 or whatever, those probably are slightly different because there are some that are soft. I prefer medium for myself, but if you guys prefer soft, you can get soft instead. And the reason why I purchased this is because for my toothbrush, I need to replace it. I didn't know that I had to replace it until I saw the signal. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see right here, I do have the toothbrush. And you can see for the one that we do have right here is the W3. And if you guys are interested in this toothbrush, feel free to check it out. There's actually a lot of different modes available on here when you guys do turn it on. If you can see how when I do press on here, I show you guys all different modes. And there's 3 different levels of intensity when you guys do use it. And then right here on the bottom, they do show you guys the battery percentage. And then here we do have the in here light to let you guys know that you do need to change it. So if I do take off the cap, if you guys do turn it on, when you guys do feel it, it definitely feels very different. It feels too strong, so you guys need to replace it. Like if I do take it out, if I put on the other one, if you guys try this one, if as in here, they sound different. So this one is what it actually sounds like when it is normal. And this one right here is G3. So that is basically how you guys know when you guys need to change it or not by looking at the in here light. Because right now, I mean, see, once we do change it, it don't show it anymore. So really cool how it actually has that feature built in to let you guys know when to change it. But now I'm actually open one of these to show you guys what that looks like when you guys do put it on. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, if you guys get a 2-pack, 4-pack, or the 8-pack that we do have right here, all of them should be the same if you guys get the correct one. So really cool how they do give you guys a little cover. So that way you can keep it sanitized and organized. But once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. And when you guys do feel it, it definitely feels like a medium toothbrush, not a soft version. If you guys prefer the soft one, you can get the soft one instead. But right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So if you guys do put it on, let me show you guys what the product looks like together. So I'm gonna pull this out and put this in. Once you guys do put it in, if you guys do turn on, that is basically what the product sounds like and what it actually looks like when you guys do use it. And when you guys do feel it, it definitely feels really powerful when you guys do use it. So when you guys put all 3 of them side by side, this is what the difference is for all of them. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality replacement brush head that you can use for your electric toothbrush. Especially in particular for the Philips electric toothbrush, like the one that we do have right here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't want or have to want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.